Hey guys, Scrappy K-Sue. I got just a couple more cards. This, I really like how big this cinnamon is. This is I believe it's a memory box. I think that's right. And then this was just something I had in my stash. And this papers were all scraps that I had. And then on the inside, this right here was is a punch, and I believe this was from Paper Tray Ink. I'm not really sure on that either, but I really like that. I like the way this one turned out though. And then this right here I like because this is another of those embossing folders that came in one of those magazines that I got at Joann's a while back, and this is a new die from, oh my goodness, I cannot remember. I think, oh my goodness, I don't know. If you want to know, let me know and I'll put it in comments or something. Let me see. And that's Paper Tray Ink as well. But I really like how this is in the middle of the O and Joy. I really like that. So I put it on this metallic paper. And then this, well, it's like this. This is just a tag die that comes with this, and also an oak leaf, and I think a acorn or something. So I used the one with this and just put some bling on it, and I think that's Paper Tray Ink as well. Can you tell how I've got a bunch of Paper Tray Ink sentiments for Christmas and all, but
I rounded that corner.
but anyway, that's it. I just had a few more I wanted to show you. So if you have any questions about any of them, just let me know. Okay, thanks. Bye.